First, prepare your Tesco receipt. Make sure it shows the store name, date, transaction number, and total spend clearly. This step is important for in-store purchases where the till scanner might have failed, or for online and international purchases. Next, log in to your Tesco Clubcard account. You can do this through the Tesco Clubcard app or the Tesco website at tesco.com/clubcard. Navigate to the Claim Points section. In the app, go to My Account and select Claim Points. On the website, select Clubcard and then Claim Points from Receipt. Enter the required details. Select the store location from a drop-down list, input the date of purchase, enter the transaction number found at the bottom of the receipt, and the total amount spent excluding ineligible items like tobacco or gift cards. You may have the option to upload a photo of your receipt for verification purposes. Double-check all the information for accuracy, then submit your claim. Points are typically added to your account within 24 to 48 hours. Check your updated balance in the app or website. You can then redeem your points for vouchers, discounts, or Clubcard deals. Let's review rules for claiming Tesco Clubcard points. Claims must be made within 3 months of the purchase date. Only one claim is allowed per transaction. Points are awarded based on the Clubcard linked to your account. If your claim is rejected, Tesco will provide feedback via email so you can correct any errors. It's important to be aware of recent trends in Tesco's loyalty program. Manual claiming is becoming less common as Tesco focuses on digital integration, such as NFC scanning in stores and e-receipts delivered via email or the app. The trend is moving towards mandatory app-link scanning for all transactions. Looking ahead to 2026-2028, Tesco plans to phase out manual claiming for in-store purchases. In the future, keep an eye out for potential AI-driven personalization, such as recommendations for claims based on your purchase history and the use of blockchain technology for secure claim verification.